What's up, y'all? Yeah, I'm about to install me some smoke lights. My boy had bought them from his truck, but he ordered them from his truck, but they sent the wrong ones. They didn't go to his, but they went to mine, so I had to grab them up for me. So yeah, that's what I'm doing on this video. Putting some smoke lights in. But I'm a kind of a how-to video too. It don't matter if you know how to do it or not, I'm still gonna show you. These little clips right here, wow. Just to take the headlight off, you gotta take the headlight off to get to the blinker lights housing. So here we go. Pull those out. Wiggle that thing on out of there. You get the plug right here. Pop that out. Little clips on there. Simple. Wow. Man, got headlight out. I got some LED bulbs for that too. I'm gonna put in too. Probably gonna be on another video though. But right now this video is about the smoke blinker lights I'm putting on, which I'm about to show you right now. They're right there in that box. One there and one there. And then this one, actually a little bit easier. See, a little clip down there. Right there. Push that in. And give it a little shove. Don't go too hard though. Don't want to break nothing. Even though these are the old ones. I'm coming in with the new now. I think this is the new smoke look is gonna give it a better look. But I feel like it's a work truck, but I still want to make it look somewhat decent. Somewhat decent. Probably just keep them for some backups or something. Yep. Okay. And this is what we're going with, right? Here, look a lot better. Yep. But I got one hand, y'all. Let me get this one in there. Well, let me at least get the bulbs in there, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to put it back in. Well, actually, let me see if I can work one hand, y'all. We're gonna see if we can multitask real quick. Nah, it ain't working out like that. Hold on, y'all. Give your boy 1 minute. Okay, you got it on. Everything is reversed though. You stick them in there, turn them, click, click. They all click back in. And after you get that done, these wires out the way. Excuse me. See that? See what I'm doing? 2 little slots right there. Stick them in there. Stick that up in there. Okay, once you get that up in there, make sure all these wires cleared out your way. And then same thing, you want to make sure that clip go back into that little hole right there. Okay. Alright, 1 second. See these aftermarkets, you want to really make sure they go in there. You see the clips ain't like the factory, so let me push it in there a little more. Can't work with 2 hands. Give me 1 minute, y'all. Okay, there we go. Now you see this clip different. You got to make sure you really push that over on these aftermarket lights. And make sure you get in there, because if not, they'll fall out. See, now we good. Ain't no flipping out no more. Yep. Okay. Back to the buzz, the headlight. And if you get that in there, you want to plug this back up like so. Ah. Bye. Move that thing back up in there. Okay. know what you gonna do. Like everything is a reverse process, guys. You know everybody got common sense. So everything is a reverse process. Slide these back up in there. Bow. Bow. We back good. That's the before look. Sorry. That's the after look. Before look. After. And these lights is brand new too. These headlights brand new. You see how clear that is? And I go to after. Okay, y'all. Let me get this other light in. We're gonna see how it looks. One. Okay, see the problem we have over there? The housing is cracked. See, ain't no clip. See where that clip at? Well, I showed you on the other side. It ain't clipped into nothing, so it's just zip tied on here. But I got another one of these. Good thing about that, I'm gonna swap that out. So we're gonna swap this out right here. This little plastic piece is a little housing to hold your headlight and your blinker lights in. See how that's bulging out? So it's just zip tied on there. I'm about to change that black piece that way we clip in like this side here. Ooh, that's looking real good there. Okay. A little sinister look a little bit. Looking mean over there. You can stay away from that side. That side looking mean. Yeah, but shit, yeah, I'm about to go get that piece. I'm gonna swap it out and I'm gonna turn y'all back on. One. Okay, y'all. Got the other piece off. I had to get it up another one. Yeah. But yeah, with this piece here, it holds the bottom light snaps in like I said before. It ain't clipped in because it's shipped and broke right there, you see. So now what I'm gonna do is I gotta take this grill off. And how you do that, you're gonna take the pin, get them in there, take all the rest of them off. And these here, pop the little clips off of there. And then, because you're gonna have to get it off so you can get to the bottom. It's a bottom bolt that you gotta get to under there for this to pull, for this little plastic piece right here to pull off. So let me get this grill off, y'all, and get to work. Alright, y'all, we got the grill off. The next step is that's the bolt down up in there. You gotta take that grill off to get to that one. Yeah, that bolt. We take that bolt down there off. This bolt here. That bolt there. That bolt there. And then you see it's two little Allen keys, one there, Allen wrenches. Right there. Star bits, rather. So we're gonna pop those, get this little bracket, I'll put the new one on so we can get the new light in, guys. Cut you back on when I get it off. No, you good. See, I got the broke one off, y'all. This bumper was kind of bent up, like I say. The whole front end is changed, so apparently they had a fender bender when I first bought it, whoever, whatever. Then the front bumper too. Next step. But yeah, got that one off. I'm gonna put this new one on. That's the broken. It's good. Put the new one on, then I'm gonna cut y'all back on for the final results. Stay tuned. One. Alright, y'all. And the results. Let me what y'all think in the comment section. Do look a lot better. That's a lot better. You go from that foggy look to the tinted look. Yep. Alright, next video I'll probably throw the LEDs in there and cut it on and show y'all how it looks. Right now, I ain't gonna put the battery. I gotta swap the batteries and all that. So I just on the next video I'll show y'all how the lights look on with the LEDs in there. But yeah, Just tell me how y'all like it. If you're new to the channel, please hit. I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bells on, like it, and share it. Turn the channel up. And I appreciate the support from everybody, man. I really do. So we're gonna take this thing to the next level. But like always, one.